legal basis for my being here. As apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. It's somebody else's. Kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty. What is the law and what is the crime that I committed?
Hindi man lang siya na-sir anong kaso na sinacharge sa kanya ngayon. Hindi niya alam. Hindi pa kayo na ganito ginagawa natin. Sumusunod tayo sa isang entity na hindi na tayo membro. Nag-withdraw na tayo. And yet, sir, you are the prosecutor general.
Yes.
You know how to exercise due process. Before you can even file charges, you have to file a complaint. We have to file a counter affidavit. Without doing those procedural process, here we are being issued a warrant of arrest, a questionable warrant of arrest.
ICC. So, dapat intindihin ng mga abogado yan. Pati sila, they should, ano naman, Torre. Sabihin mo sa inyo, sabihin mo siya, nagdadala ng kaso dito. Sir, wakan mo sila, sabihin mo, ano ba to, may variant. Pero kung sasama ako sa iyo, huwag kang magtingin dyan, sasama ako sa iyo.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Total, nandito naman tayo sa government facility. So, escape is not a problem. Impossible dream.
Thank you, sir.
Okay naman, Porado. Ang akin lang, I might not have the chance anymore to lecture on you na the serious implications.
Yes, sir.
We have withdrawn and then you allow me to be brought to a body of which we are no longer a member. Kaya sabihin mo din sa prosecutor, sabi ni Mayor, kindly ponder on this new rule.
Thank you, sir.
Alam mo man, nabasa mo man siguro, withdraw na tayo. So, bakit mo natin doon sa international body na hindi tayo membro? Kung balang araw, per chance, kung isa sa inyo makakaroon ng kaso, at joking ko yung mga politika to, alam mo naman politika ito. Sabihin ko doon mo, hatakin mo yan doon sa maligayahan kayo yan. I'm reminding you, not because I want to, I'm not berating you. I'm giving you a lecture na ponder on it seriously because magkakaroon ito ng implication. Una-una, I don't know about, but my family, lalo na si Vice President, ikaw bukas mag-presidente yan. Or on a longer term, tatakbo yan, mananalo yan. Dahil nga sa ginawa ninyo tuloy, Hindi kasi ako ang nakiusap. Kung ako ang kausap mo kanina sabihin ko sa iyo kutsi mo,
dyan, sir, may bus tayo, sir, sa labas. Kasama, sir, ang family mo, sir.
Hindi,
Four of you.
hindi ko na. Iiwan ko na.
You can have a choice of 3 other companions, sir.
Wala. Abogado.
Yes, sir.
Wala man kayo ano. Wala. What's the worst that... kasi ito rin. What's the worst that they can